think I am the only healer on the planet Earth. I am one of the healer. And there are many people who express one stream of different siddhis. So, do not think he is a fake the moment you see him. Don't judge. He may be having one altered state of consciousness. There are millions, especially in Indian villages, who have one state of altered consciousness. Means they will be able to handle one extraordinary power. In Karnataka, there was an elderly man, his name was Kasugowda, means Money Gowda, literally if you translate. His speciality was anybody having any fracture, pain, anything, he will just keep a 25 paise coin, India's 25 paise coin, which is like a less than 1 cent. Indian rupee itself now less than 1 cent, that is different. Okay. Less than 1 cent. There is a penny. He used to keep the penny and put a band-aid, it will become alright. And the funny thing is when he will ask us only to bring the penny. Our own penny when we give, when he keeps on our skin, it will stick to the skin. If you keep, it won't stick. So I have heard about him. And I had a devotee from Salem suffering with a hand pain for quite a number of years. I tried my best to heal him, maybe more than a month. Every day I will heal him. I could not do. I could not heal. Then I thought it's something to do with bone fracture. I am not able to do anything. Maybe I have to take him to I have to tell him to go for allopathy. Just 2 days before I heard about this Kasugowda, I took him. He was living in just half an hour drive from our Biddi ashram in a remote village. Per day 10,000 people used to come to him. Please understand. He will not charge anything. Morning around 4 o'clock he will do his puja. He is a devotee of Kalbhairava. All the Gaudas in Karnataka are followers of Kalbhairava, Shiva's followers. So he starts his puja for Kalbhairava. Then he will come and sit in his seat and start. Around night, 11 o'clock only he will finish. No rest. He will only eat twice a day between seeing the patients. When I went there, I saw at least 10,000 people. It was not any special day, ordinary day. A villager. So I stood in queue. But the moment he came to know that I have come, he received me and took me to his place. And then I told him I came for this devotee only. Then I just wanted to see also what he does. Then he asked the devotee to give a coin, and the devotee whom I took, he gave the coin, and he took the coin and just looked. I could see by his look the coin has melted. Just coin is melted. It has not completely melted and poured out, but the process happened in the coin. I can see it has become liquid. I put that coin on the place where the devotee had a pain, put a bandage, over. In 2 days pain vanished. What I could not do for 1 month, this old man who has neither intellectual idea about enlightenment nor the smell of enlightenment, he finished it in 2 days. 2 days means to heal it took 2 days, but the whole process did not take more than 2 minutes. He had to spend 2 minutes with me because I am a VIP to receive me. Otherwise, he has done it. Just last year he passed away. He left the body. He became very old and he passed away. I know for sure he was able to put himself to an altered state of consciousness, not enlightenment, but certain altered state of consciousness from where he is able to express that energy. So I told him, Do not think I am the only person. Maybe more number of expressions are happening through this body. That's all. There is no such thing as monopoly in the field of mystery and spiritual powers. Please understand, I am making it very clear, and I wanted this to be on record. There are millions of people who express different spiritual powers and experiences. You may have respect on everybody, but the feeling connection will be only towards your master, who takes you towards enlightenment, who raises you to enlightenment.